who's gonna come talk? Ray, Frank, help!
I got some balancing to do today, so he'll be able to watch. That F-16 sounds like crap. Gets in our damn way. Damn pizza pan! Oh, Frank, your gear!
Oh, shit. Wow. Oh, man! He's saying hello. There we go, see? It's like a duck, man.
What the hell? Quack, quack. No, the gear's back.
It's like a duck, man.
See, now you can't get on me.
Oh, there we go. I hate when the landing gear does that.
Oh, he did it. He bumped it.
I did a couple of times on mine.
Then it goes,
that's it.
I had to change my failsafe.
You cannot lift it from there. You have to lift it yourself.
I have to lift it. Because it stops. The nose gear will be fine, but not the back.
It smells good. Yes.
What I prefer is the nitro and the caster.
Yeah.
All right, Stanky Frankie.
Alright,
He's gonna rev it.
Ready?
What
Let's
do
go.
you waste for you guys to rev it?
Oh, God, Lenny killed his too?
Oh, shit.
What the hell?
Alright, Dave. Start recording. We're going.
Oh, hang on. I don't see shit.
You wanna come on this side?
I'm trying to see what I see. How maybe like this. I'm serious.
Welcome back, David.
You're welcome. Alright, taking out.
I'll go behind you. I'll go with you.
Gear up, flaps up.
Really?
Oh, wait. Just point at the airplanes. No, seriously. You don't see anything on the screen.
There we go. I got the big pack, so I'll
I'm
be
gonna
able
try
to.
and keep it close.
Yeah, I'll stay with you.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna be center line.
Yeah, I'm just pointing to the airplane because it's really hard with the pass.
I'm gonna do a quarter pass.
You got to be careful of him.
Finally, you learn how to fly.
Alright.
I don't know what Jim's going to be doing, so.
I used to do a lot of that.
He's up there, though, so we're good. Oh, shh. No, I thought his motor died. There we go.
Right there, it sounds good.
Yeah, we'll go easy on this flight.
Yeah. I just want to do some actual formation for once.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
We're good. Do what we're doing.
Alright.
It's always easier for me to follow you, so just tell me what you want.
I'm gonna come center line.
Okay.
Low pass!
There we go. No, why did you
Time
pull up?
remaining 1 minute.
Alright, let's do that again.
Yeah,
It's really side by
Ray, you
side.
pull up your nose.
I did because I know Frankie.
Oh, really?
Sometimes he'll just yank and go up, so I got to get out of his way. Make sure you can.
Center line. Low pass! Nice.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Turn
Yes,
it.
there
That
we
was
go.
good.
Use your wings. That's
Yep.
it.
Neither can I. It's all right.
Don't stay on top of him, Ray. Just follow his wings.
Dude, David, you haven't been here in how long?
Wait until I start flying.
Just wait. We actually we can go.
9, 8,
Okay,
7, 6,
Going up
5,
go. I'll be behind you.
4, 2, 1.
and flipping it.
I'm gonna go off to the left.
I gotta watch out. I'm gonna be
I
on
know.
the outer side.
I'll be behind you.
Shit.
See, that's why I did what I did. I'm gonna flip back over to the outside, come back around. No, you're good.
Landing!
Me neither.
Shit.
I'm gonna, I split up because I'm gonna.
Always do extra
I have a bigger body.
No, no, not that this time. I'm giving separation. I just can't hear.
Gear down.
There you go.
Landing flaps. 1
Right there.
minute over.
So tell me where you are, Frankie. I'm coming.
all the way on the runway on the right.
Okay. Motor.
This is a good
Flaps
landing.
up.
Good stuff. I just can't hear myself think.
I just follow the airplane.
Yeah.
That's what I used to do before with
Carl.
cars.
Yeah.
We used to follow the airplanes because there's no way you can see it. Trying to follow, then you zoom in and zoom out.
Right.
Check out, let's look at video of it right now.
Hopefully you don't crash.
There we
Gotta
go.
make it American.
Mine's going to be.
I hope they make his American.
No,
Mine
Hey.
is.
No, I'm going
This
to.
is the way.
I
I'm
like the corners, but